कंपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करती है फिन एंड ट्यूब टाइप हीट एक्सचेंजर्स की, जो HVAC एंड रेफ्रिजरेशन इंडस्ट्री के लिए काफी जरूरी है। इनकी प्रोडक्ट्स आपके घर के AC, फ्रिज में यूज होते हैं along with in data centers plus even in medical equipment. This company is none other than KRN Heat Exchanger and Refrigerator Limited. The company is coming up with an IPO from 25th September till 27th September 2024 with an issue size of rupees 341.9 crores and a price band range of rupees 209 to rupees 220. कंपनी की लीडरशिप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, सीनियर मैनेजमेंट एक्सपीरियंस्ड है and they are in long-term partnership with Daikin. Also, their manufacturing process is automated, which is cost-effective and ensures on-time delivery. Also, additionally, इनका customer base is not just in India but in other 9 more countries. लेकिन कुछ रिस्क भी हैं. Company is heavily dependent on Daikin and अपने top 10 customers पे. तो revenue risk है due to dependency on top clients. Even for supply, there is dependency. So, अगले कुछ years में growth sustain करना will be a challenge to the company. What do you think? Will it be a thumbs up or down for this IPO? Tell us in the comment section below. Thank you.